Let's go, great balls.
How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a black and white play 3 episode. In the last episode, we
went through Pinwheel Forest, and off screen I brought a song after level 20. And look at this view, man. This graphics so nice. And in this video, we are going to continue our journey in the Unova region. And let's go. And we are in Sky Arrow Bridge. And let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this graphics. It's so effing nice. Nice. Okay. This is in the intro part of the. Wow. So many bridges. Wow. Can I get a quick claw? No? And we are at Castelia City now. Yes. Okay. Let's go. And currently there is no thingy things here. So let me go this way. And wow. This game is so effing amazing. Let's go. Oh, what? Okay. This desert route is here. So I'm gonna search for a Pokemon and you guys gonna search for that Pokemon. Okay, yes, and let's go for a tackle. With Moxie, of course, it will have Moxie. Let's go for tackle, don't get it, yes. And it had Moxie too, so let's catch it. Sandstorm. Pokeballs. Let's go, great balls. Yes, we got that ring. Yes, I'm going to name it. I named it Kyo. And I'm going to search for another Pokemon. I'll see you guys when I search that for thing. So there it is. Let's go for an attack here. Yes. Yeah, what is the attack? Let's throw a Pokeball at it. Great Dusk Ball. Okay. Let's go to the headbutts. So let's go for a great ball. Yes, we got it. Okay, I'm gonna nickname it. Oh yes, I nicknamed it Azulon after the Fireblood Azulon. Okay, so I'm back at the Pokemon Center now. So that's there. So let's continue. No, not this way. I think it is no, not even this way. Yes, there it is. So let's go into the gym. And of course it would happen. Hey Hilbert, I just challenged the gym leader Bug. He has a session gym leader. He made me work at the gym badge. But for me, bug type Pokemon are not much of a challenge. I'm going to keep winning like this against all of the gym leaders. Then I'll head for the league and out form of the league. If I don't that, everyone will admit what a stronger trainer I am. That will make me feel truly alive. Aha, you are the one who fought T plus 1 Pinwheel Forest. If I remember, your name is Silver. Come to challenge him. Oh, sorry. If you inform T plus 1 has shown up. In fact, come with me. I'm going to the premium pair. What? Premium? What? No, this is not the way. Whoa, this city. I remember this city definitely. Is this way? Yes. Come on this way. Team Plasma, they look this English Pokemon. That Hilbert, is there anything we can do? My Mona, Team Plasma, look it. I heard this loud scream and ran after the Steve as fast as could. But the city is so big and so crowded, I'm afraid I lost them. Iris, you did everything you could. But that's so bad. Taking people's Pokemon is really bad because it's really nice when people and Pokemon are together. They each have something to give. The other doesn't and they help each other. Iris, agreed, no fear. We'll get the Pokemon back. Right, Hilbert? Hank said that finding a person or Pokemon in Castle City will be like finding a needle. I spy a gym leader last time went so well. I thought I'd grab another Pokemon, rethinking. I need to get out of here. Hilbert, let's go. Iris, you stay by that Zangler's side. I'm going to be Bianca's bodyguard, so you go after those bad guys, okay? Okay. So I think we are gonna go back to the gym place now. Yes? That way. We're heading toward the gym. Yes, there they are. This is definitely the place. No one's here. Not a soul. No other Team Plasma members, nor any of the sound stages are inside. If you think I'm lying, why don't you have a little battle to find out? Yes. Well, that was easy. This is bad. Bad for Team Plasma or plus bad for short. Isn't my best interest to go reporting the sound stages right now? Phew, we got lost. Even with the directions for the extransceiver, I couldn't figure it out. Team Plasma is inside. The stolen Pokemon may be in there as well. Okay, I'm going in. Iris, okay, this time I'll join the fight. Come on, Bianca, you too. Wait, Hilbert, you come too. My god, if you isn't the gym leader above. So what would you say is this guiding principle of Team Plasma anyway? Take what want from you what want from people. I thought it would be assumed to prepare a hideout right in front of a Pokemon gym, but we were detected more than quickly I imagined. Indeed, no matter, we are already have an exceptional base of operations. Is everyone familiar with the legend of it's the white dragon type Pokemon, right? The truth is, the White Dragon Pokemon appeared before a hero who sought the true way to connect together. The world full of many warning people. The White Dragon Pokemon shared its knowledge and bared its fangs, and those who stood against it, together the power of this Pokemon and the hero brought unity of the hearts of everyone in land, and how Yuna was created. We shall bring back the hero again, the Pokemon to Unova once again. We can win people's hearts and minds. We can easily create the world that Team Plasma deserves. Here in Castelia City, we have a lot of different kinds of people. Your ways of thinking and lifestyles are different. Honestly, there's something about your saying I don't quite understand. Yes, what it is? One thing we will have in common is that we are all care a lot. Common is that we are about Pokemon. Even people meeting for Pokemon for the first time, we can't talk about Pokemon talk or battle or trade. Remember your speech at Akimala Town? You were responsible for leading me to rethink my relation with Pokemon. For that, I thank you. At that time, I made a promise. I swore to myself that I would be dedicated myself to Pokemon even more strongly. What are you guys doing? Aren't you going to strengthen the bond between people and Pokemon even more? You are quite hard to figure out a little. More intelligent than I expected. I'm fond of intelligent people. You see, you'll enjoy hearing about this. From every corner of the world, I have gathered knowledgeable people for our king's benefit. You could call them sound sages. Very well, we'll submit to our opinion and be on our way. They call over the return her Pokemon. Thank you. Nuna, I'm so glad to see you again. Bianca, why are you thanking them? They take people's precious Pokemon. It's just, I'm so happy that my Mona is safe. The friendship between Pokemon and people can be very touching, but in order to liberate Pokemon from foolish people, will receive the legend of Yuna and win the hearts and minds of every Pokemon. Farewell! What are they doing? Why are letting them get away? What we do if anything's happened to other stolen Pokemon? It's okay, thank you, Iris. No one so more than anything, I got my darling Pokemon back again. Okay, if you're happy, what's that planning to do now? Oh, it would be sensational to look around Castelia, but don't worry. I'll keep on being your bodyguard. Iris, that's great. Iris is a dazzling Pokemon trainer, but maybe not at home in the big city yet. So a little give and take. People and Pokemon need to help each other out. Also, thanks for looking for the Pokemon. Here is this for you. You got the Yachi Berry. See you. Well then, Hilbert, I'll be waiting in the gym. What is this? Smoke caffeine. And we are not taking on the gym just yet. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's play Pokemon White. Peace.